Tata. Bobo.
Papa.
The world is a stage. We come here, everybody comes in, does their own, perform their own roles and leave. We're like actors. We mount the stage, perform our assigned roles, and we leave. One thing you must do is to always focus and make sure you fight to win all the time.
Papa, why did they tell us all this thing?
Tata, when you have children as a parent, it's your duty to tell them about the ups and downs of life so that they don't get stranded on their ways in life.
Yes.
Papa, why be say everybody for this village hate you and your family? Not just few people like us.
Bobo, one with God is majority. Once you have God and you have the truth, nobody can defeat you. They hate me, some of them hate me because I tell them the truth. Yes. And others too, out of jealousy. They are jealous because of the kind of landed properties that I have. You know, but when my father was alive, he had a lot of them. So the only son, when he died, I had to get all those things. I inherited them. So people are jealous about it.
And wickedness be that too.
Yes. And they cannot stop in their wickedness. But one thing is right. Always love your neighbors. Don't hate them. So that when you take revenge, you do it justly and rightly. Okay? Justly.
Food is ready! Everybody come and eat. Hey! This one your face is like this. What is it? Come. If you see what I prepared, you know your favorite.
Papa, we are going.
Eba, are you looking for something?
Good afternoon, my brother. Sorry, I am interested in this land. I don't know. Do you know who owns it?
The land belongs to Mazo Okolo. And I don't think that Mazo Okolo wants to sell this land.
Okay, don't worry. Let me worry about that. And I believe Mazo Okolo loves money. Nobody in this earth does not like money. He likes money. Meanwhile, what I want you to do for me, can you show me his house? Allow me to talk to him.
Okay, I'm heading to somewhere. Just follow this road. Once you get to that road, ask anybody Mazo Okolo. He's a well-known man.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
My loyal and faithful people.
Honorable.
You all know that I'm going back to the house to represent you once again.
Honorable Akam.
Yes.
You know, this one doesn't need this kind of elaborate meeting. We know what to do at the right time. You can always count on us to give you the support that you desire from your kinsmen.
That's good. I trust all of you. And this is why I always come back for your support.
Oh, you did.
And of course, you know that I pay handsomely for it.
Exactly.
Honorable, in fact, yes, you are doing well. And when a man does well, he should be praised. Now you biko, Okam. Now you biko, Okam ejewego. Now you biko, Okam ejewego. Now you Okam, now you biko,
Mr. Lucas. Yes, Mr. Lucas. That is where I'm standing concerning the land.
This money we are talking about is a huge amount of money. It will help you and your family.
Mr. Lucas, everything is not about money. This land is so close to my heart to part with.
10 million naira is a huge amount of money. And this your land is so important to those who need it.
10 million. Everything is not about money. This land is a crown inheritance from my father. And it means a lot to me.
I believe you're in this country, right?
What do you mean I'm in this country? No, I'm in China. I'm in this country. Everything is not about money. Mr. Lucas.
Mazokoro, take this offer. Take this offer. I'm begging you now. Because if you don't take it, those who need this land, they might go the other way around.
Over my dead body.
Mazokoro, live over your dead body. Take this offer.
Let's end this discussion now. Please, let's end it. Because we are not going to make any headway at all.
It's alright. No problem. It's nice to meet you.
Bye.
You will hear from us. You will hear from us.
I greet you.
Ozoma, I have always known and I have always admired you, even now.
That was before you disappointed me.
When are you going to forgive me about something that happened between us far, far in the past? Eh? In fact, if I have my way, how I wish I just took you away from Azund.
Ozoka, wishes are not horses. Okay? Ozoma belongs to another.
But I still love you, Ozom. Yes, even now. If I have my way, I will buy you away from Azundo. Eh? Only that I cannot take back the hand of the clock.
Thank God you know that. But anyway, nothing is impossible. If God says we are going to be together again, who am I? It will be possible.
Ozom, the oil is already spilled and wasted. We just long and desire, but we can no longer touch the apple.
It is well. Let me run along before they begin to work their tongues. See.
Ozomo, Ozomo, nwanyị ọma.
Take this one, keep this one.
Thank you.
Hey, my husband. Please, try and consider that 10 million. Do you know what 10 million naira would do for us in this family? Why don't you just give away the land? Why are you going to allow it? Look at that.
No, you don't understand. If he asked for another land, I would have given. But he insisted on that only land. I know I cannot. See, if somebody gives you 10 million now, what are you going to be doing with it?
What did you say?
10 million they give to you. What will you do with it?
10 million naira. Ha! 10 million is big, oh. 10 million, if I get 10 million naira now, I know what I'll do with it.
No.
You don't message my with 10 million.
You are looking at 10 million for that land now. Do you know how much that land is worth in the next 10 years? See, all these things I'm doing for your children, oh. We are not poor as to be asking for food, are we?
My husband, We are not poor to be asking for food, I know. But somehow we are poor. We are poor. We don't have motor car. Like Honorable Okam. Do we have car?
So, motor car is your problem, Abi?
Also.
Alright. See, is motor car peace? Huh? Is motor car peace? We may not have a car, but we are comfortable, are we not?
We are. We are comfortable, but 10 million now. Oh, buribu. Apokwa. 10 million buribu.
Leave this thing. It will not work. Leave it. Who's sending me this text?
Who is that person?
This number is not registered on my phone.
Where?
Take the offer for your land, or we will take it anyway.
Who is that person?
I don't know this person though. Maybe that stranger that came to ask for the land though. He says the government needs the land for development.
So, see, in as much as I want you to give away the land, take government by fire by force. I thought it's supposed to be a thing of choice.
Over my dead body will anybody, be it government or demons or Satan, take that land from me. That land is a crown inheritance from my father. That's the land that Tata and Bobo will share. That's what they want. Over my dead. Now, it will never happen.
But them, my husband, these children, they are still small. You understand? You can buy another one next time. 10 million naira.
Shut up!
I'm speaking for you.
Shut up. Once you see money, women, your mouth will be going like Obaka. 10 million.
Over 10 million, hey, check it.
Shut up.
That was why I invited you. And I'm happy that you found time to come. Just like other people came to. Yes. Just give me a minute.
Honorable if he doesn't do that, he's not honorable.
Yes.
It's a tradition.
It's
a tradition.
Honorable guy. Yes, so if you do what you promise, more of this will yes, so that is it.
Thank you. Honorable.
Yes, my dear.
We have heard you. And we have equally seen how generous your hands are. And we have equally seen how this your generosity is continuously flowing from your hands into our own hands. And it is our promise that you are not going to be disappointed by us.
Exactly.
Is it not so?
That is it. Yes. And again, you know that I don't eat alone.
Of course. We are witness.
Because if you eat alone, you cannot discuss the taste of the food with your friends.
That's true. You can't compare. No.
Yes. My policy is not to Yes. So, in the light of that, I have prepared some ngwongwo na ngwongwo eji enyere ndụ aka.
As usual.
Yes. So I would want you to join me now to the guest room. Ka tụọ ndụ mmanụ. Ka tụọ ndụ mmanụ. Yes. Ndụ adịrị abụọ.
We heard you when
Is that what he said?
Yes, sir. He said if you want to come and see him, you should come and see him in his house.
Well, I think he's right. Because that's what politics is all about. Politicians go to see the electorates to convince them of their votes. So, I'll go and see him.
But Chia, that man no get sense at all. So all the money where you go share give elders now, you no go follow collect them.
He will not collect because nothing comes from nothing. Well done, boys.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's well.
Thank you.
Well done. Yes.
Hey, Maslow, why have you refused to stay here? How come? How about it?
My wife, forget about those people. You see all these elders? They are just running about Honorable Okam, collecting bribes, and at the flip of his finger, they are there. They have sold their conscience. Yes.
Where's your bag go?
No!
Please. Papa!
Honorable.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You're
welcome,
My children, take heart and be strong. It is only God who knows the perpetrators of this despicable act, and it is only Him who can judge them. I am here to sympathize with you and also to announce a scholarship for you up to Mahadum.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. And to kickstart this philanthropic gesture, here is 500,000 pium. For these children. For these children.
That's very much like
Thank you for what you've done for them.
No, Goro was my case man. And it will be wickedness on my part to abandon his children at a time like this. Yes. So my children, take heart. I'm running to another meeting now.
Yes, let us
so I'm going to see you later.
Let's go.
Yes, take heart, my dear. Take heart.
Honorable.
Yes. Thank you for your support.
Honorable, you already have our support. You always have it.
All always.
Good.
All the same, you have done very well for the children.
Oh, good. I'm running to somewhere for a meeting now. So we see in the evening. Okay? Yes.
Honorable, let me use this opportunity to thank you for what you did for those children. That was great. That was wonderful.
Well, it's called political sagacity and psychological manipulation. Yes. So see you in the evening. Yes, it's all right. Yes.
Go well.
Yeah, we see you in the evening.
Okay.
All right.
Are you still crying? Eh? No. Eh? See, I'm going to the market to buy foodstuffs for the house. No go. That 500,000 honorable gave to you, what did you say I should do with it?
Send them back.
Eh? 500,000? Do you know what 500,000 would do for you?
No, she do anything. Can the 500,000 buy back our father? Our lovely mother. I beg, send them back to the sender.
Okay. Okay. So let me go to the market now.
Please, if you have money, buy food for us.
Fruits. I'll buy fruits for you, but make sure you eat before I come back, okay? Alright.
Papa, Mama, so now here on a day, leave us for this world, may we be suffer. Papa, you promise us say nothing go happen to you. You not tell us say na like this world day. You not tell us say this world wicked. I want to take fights back. I want to survive. Now we go come take care of us. You know say we never strong. Those people strong pass us. And you want me to fight them. What do you want me to do? Una leave us here, come out. Where una go? Why una leave us here, come out? Where una want me to dey? Papa, Mama, who go come revenge you na death now? Oblog if I got no ba. Oblog if Papa, I want me to no say God, they fight for the people where they are oppressed.
My children, don't be afraid. We will be with you to avenge our death. Those who killed us will not go unpunished. We will lead you to them one after the other to punish them.
We will enter into you and possess you to be able to fight through the wars.
Come together. Hold yourself. Come and embrace us. Come.
But I'm not seeing any of his bodyguards.
He is the one who invited us. But if for any reason he knew he will not be at home when we will come, he would have called me on phone so that we discuss it, either to postpone the engagement or to cancel it outright.
Honorable! Honorable! Honorable, we are here. I told you. Hey, I know him now. Very well. Chai, you're welcome. Thank you. Yes. Honorable. Well done. Thank you. Welcome, my people.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for the delay because
it's all right. No, don't worry.
The important thing is that you are here now with us.
Exactly.
You know, my security boys are not here, and my wife and children live in the city.
No, don't worry
That's
about
why
it.
everywhere is the same.
We know all those things. We are not outsiders, you know. I think we should go straight to the reason we are here today.
Oh, good. I invited you so that I will disclose my plans for the final takeover. Yes.
Honorable.
Yes.
I must tell you, the whole of this community, they are all singing one song. And that song is what you did for those children in Okuru's condolence visit.
Yes.
It was wonderful.
Yes. Honestly, what I handed out that day was a political carrot of 500,000 naira. Yes, and educational scholarship. Just to build a strong mindset of the electorate.
Yes.
Yes. That is it. And for both of you who have played vital roles, I have fat rewards for you.
Thank you.
You will get political leadership in the community.
Oh no, you have scratched me. You have scratched me where it itches me.
Yes. No, rise. You are an elder. You are an elder in this community. So you can kneel for me.
You
Yes.
know our people say, if you see somebody who is bigger than you are, you carry his bag. So thank you very much for that gesture.
So just give me 1 minute.
It's all right.
Come see me.
I can prophesy what he's going to do.
Exactly.
The usual thing.
Thank you very much. Since you will not be tired of giving us, we will never be tired of telling you thank you.
Let's just go and keep this envelope. We are not going home.
Yes.
After all, here is our place.
Oh, yeah, area.
Now you biko, amejabego. Now you biko, amejabego. Now you biko, amejabego. Now you biko.
Lack of money is the root of all evil. Look at them. Chineke mere unu masị ma mekwere mụ.
That's Vito.
My children, how are you? Let us move fast before we meet other people who will be more inquisitive than these children. You see how they are looking at our hand.
They are looking at our hand. Let's do.
They are looking at us.
What nonsense. What foolishness. Who spits out sugar from his mouth these days? Who does that? I say, no wonder the Bible talks about the heart of children and foolishness. How can someone reject 500,000 naira? 500! In this country, this time, this age. I know. I need to stop those children. I need to stop this. I need to stop these children. I need to stop. 500,000 naira. How can they reject 500,000 naira? How?
So, anyway, go there now. Go there, only you. Tell us we no need the money, make it return up. Make it take them back, we no want them. Why you want only me make I want only you because no say if you just come, you go no say person don't arrive. Make it no be like say we they do small children thing. Just go there, tell us say Oga, we don't need this your blood money. Don't come for if you don't want collect that. No carry and come back up because if you carry and come back now, I don't know what thing that TV do with them. I will not need them. So go give them money, yeah? Oh wow. Make I go there with that things. But why you no want follow me? You know say if we two now, if we go there now. So we can't look like saying they do small picking things. Oh wow, make I go just be like actual people things. We go see. So say no carry and come back. I know. Make I go there arrange some things. No problem.
Ned, you're the one.
Mazoka, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Mazoka, I am not fine. Please, did you see those children of Okoro along the way? Did you pass them?
I saw them, but not along this road. I saw them along Ozi Road. What is the matter that you are rushing like this after them?
Hey, Mazi, those children want to kill me. Those children want to kill me. Those children, they are trying to do something foolish.
Wait, Neji. What is that foolish thing that they want to do that makes you run like this?
Do you remember that money that Honorable Okam gave to them the day he came for courtesy visit?
That $500,000.
Yeah? These children, they want to return that money. They want to return that money to Honorable Okam, Masi.
Neji, it's a lie. How can they return it? That is the highest point of foolishness now.
Ifugonia, that is why I am running to stop them. I want to go and stop them. I want to hurry to stop them.
In that case, it's not a matter of hurrying. You have to run fast and overtake them before they complete that foolishness you are talking about.
Abi?
It's not a matter of Abi, run! No more than your legs can carry you. They don't follow.
returning $500,000. Oh, let them return it through me now.
Bye. Who is there?
Hey, Okoro's son, eh?
Yes, sir.
Hey, how lucky I am today that even in your morning period, you still found time to visit me.
Yes.
Oh, that's very good of you, my dear. Sure, you're welcome.
I returned the money. Yes, because you don't want your blood money.
And you call my money blood money?
Of course, dear Wego.
Who gave you that audacity?
We gave ourselves the audacity.
Kato, look. Are you sure you're talking to me? Eh? Are you talking to me?
Yes.
And you know the person you are talking to? Okam of that 8th Battalion, who displayed the height of his military gallantry on the 3rd of March 1968 at Abagana sector. Is that the man you are talking to?
Yes.
Eh? Talking to me?
These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run, but you cannot hide. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot hide away from them.
This way, Chakwe. This way, Chakwe.
Sorry.
This way, Chakwe.
Sorry.
Auntie, leave that in. We never even start anything.
You never even start, Abi? See, I feel for the two of you. Eh? Listen, I don't want to die like my sister did, and the husband. I don't want them to come here and kill me like they did to my sister and husband.
If they want, they should kill you. Even us. We are not afraid of death, though. It's even better they kill us. I get Jamie to our parents in our upland.
No, kwa. So you want to die? Eh?
Why are we still alive now? When our mama and papa no dead. What will they live they do?
See. Me, I don't want to die. So I'll come and be living. You don't want to stay alive, so you can stay while I go inside, pack my things and leave.
Auntie, do it you like. Do it you want to do. You everything you talk now. If you want go. We will not the fear to die.
If I won't go, make I go.
Go now. Do anything you want die.
Make I do anything what I want to. Make I do anything what I want to. Now what they tell me that? Chimo. They go how? Chimo. Tata, lock the door.
What is all this? Why are these boys delaying like this? Anyway, maybe they have murdered the children and they are trying to dispose of their remains. Oh, maybe that. What's the matter with all of you? Why are you all looking like this? What's the meaning of this?
Oga, wahala dey.
What is he talking about?
They have disgraced us.
Who disgraced you? Who?
Well, those children they send us to go manhandle.
What?
Oga, they have manhandled us.
Who manhandled you?
Oga, they beat us mercilessly and kidnapped our dresses.
What are you people talking about? What are you talking about? This is so shameful.
Oga, they feel they follow us on this side though.
Hey, God. Go to my now. Eh? Oh, come also. Mbano. I cannot run for them. Those who talk with Mbano. It's not possible. But let me just go and ease myself. Me is I Okam of 38 battalion. Mbano. Let me ease myself. It's not possible.
Bobo? Tata? Bobo? Bobo, Tata, open the door. It's me. It's Nate. Open the door. Yes, open the door. Anything? What is anything? Eh? You asking me anything? What is it? I saw those boys running along the road on boxers. What is going on?
Okay. They forget to take their dresses after we taught them small lessons.
Small lessons?
Quantum.
Who are the ones shouting?
They think they shout now. They shout like small picking. What they will do?
What did you do to them that made them run like madmen?
We not done anything. No. Tata, did we do anything? No, we not fit.
You know fit? You know fit? Do you know those boys can go, regroup, and come for you people? Are you aware of that?
Auntie, car will not get tail. Now God, they pursue flies for us. Bomb. You better make you they go before they go come kill you.
You no need talk am. You hear me? Because this person where they see so now ghost. And they go carry my bag. Make sure that stay. Now go ahead, so. Hey!
Gentlemen, I believe you are sorry because I also had an excruciating experience with them. If I did not train with Major William at Madonna 1 during the war, my story would have been worse than yours. But the way it is now, what do we do?
Chief.
Yeah.
We go plan for them.
Plan for them. Plan for them. Good. Are we on the same page? Do we plan for them?
Yes,
Chief. Good. In that case, we pay them a visit. Is that okay by you? Are we on the same page?
Yes, Chief.
Good. This meeting is over.
What with wicked people everywhere. They are busy collecting what does not belong to them. By fire, by force.
Mama. Mama. Thank you very much. Hi. I thank God so much that I met you here, whereas will not be around to disturb us.
Maka, again, why are you thanking God?
Because Azundo is not around. By the way, it's not Azundo that I want to see. It is you.
Oh. Is this well at all? So why have you come to see me?
To tell you the truth, Ozuma, I have been missing you. So I decided to come around and see you and look at your face.
You have been missing me.
Of course.
Married woman like me. Hey! Mazuzoka. Have you forgotten I'm a married woman? Eh? Have you forgotten I'm married to your friend? Mazazundo. See, Biko, Ejimafa Chineke na yogi. Nothing will come in between us. It's never possible. Whatever that comes in between us is a big taboo, and you know that.
I understand what you are talking about. Eh? There is nothing bad about somebody hoping for what he desires. Uzuma, I desire you. That's the truth, I desire you.
Are you planning of killing my husband?
Tofiakwa, eh? Am I a murderer? Why should I do that? Eh? But Uzuma, let me just confess this. The way I love you, this my love for you, is trying to scatter my life. Eh? I can't help myself again. Please help me.
Hey!
It's not a loving matter. Help me, Uzuma.
Uzuma. The Lord wants to scatter your life. Life will get scatter, get you scattered again. Masuzoka, Biko.
Pity me now.
Pity you what? I am married. Don't want me into trouble. We'll say any like love and corner because we'll see about. Drop it here. Please, I am married to my husband. We don't have anything in common. Biko! 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 Owe kwazidi na palavom. Biko! Agwakwange.
But I can't help myself. Eh? Help me now.
Help you do what?
Help me now.
Stop it, oh! Stop it!
Also, help me now.
Am I the only one in this village?
But, remember those days now. Eh? Hi!
Bobo. Tata. Hey, nsogbu adịrọ. Unu achọrọ ịpụta ọkụ ya? Eh? Nsogbu adịrọ. I am leaving. Because I will not lose my husband because of you. Osunu na apụtọrọ. Anọkwa m o. Mama otu ụmụazị egbu ha. Unu nọdụ ebe ahụ.
It's a good one from Italy. Why should two children bring this kind of calamity upon themselves?
Foolishness, stupidity. I even heard that these children went to give back to Honorable the money he gave to them.
And beat him up mercilessly.
You see, their stupidity can only help the case and desire of Honorable.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
You know that he has been desiring that land of Mazi Okoro at Uziyi before he died now.
Really?
Yes. You know, it was even before those people killed Mazi Okoro. And these children, if they continue to annoy Mazi Okam, and he decides to take them out of the way, he's going to make it even easier for him to take over the land. Don't say I didn't tell you.
I pray that the matter should not escalate to that point.
Me too.
But when anytime you mention Honorable Okam, what comes to my brain is that man knows how to share palliatives.
I know that's where you were going to. This reminds me, he gave me some money to share among the elders for as a kind of handshake for their political support.
Really?
Will I say for our political support?
Okay. I hope my own is included.
Look at you. Your eyes are now red. Your eyes are now red. That is money. Anyway, it is a common adage that he who works must eat.
Is biblical too.
And also a common parable in our place that the animal that goes down to the stream first thing in the morning will take the first gulp of clean waters.
Exactly.
In other words, you and I will take our own share before sharing to the other elder.
It's good to support any man that knows how to appreciate his supporters.
And Honorable Okoro is good at that. He knows how best to do that. Let me come.
Hey, honorable. That man is good. He's a good mother.
Where 300,000. I've already taken my own. You see, 1,000, 300,000.
Hey, this is good. God should continue to bless this honorable for us.
He said,
his enemies will not see him.
He said,
this is good.
So, that is how this operation will be carried out. We all need to know how to go about this operation this time.
So now to delete them, pata.
No choice. We need to do exactly as Oga has said.
But we have to be very careful with those little things. I have not forgotten what they did to us the last time.
What are you saying?
Now we're done.
What are you people doing here?
Ask her.
Well, it's even better as both of you are here because we are about planning to come and kill you both.
Exactly.
Thank God you are here. You brought yourself here in one accord. That makes it more easier. Boys! Let's attack.
Yes! If you move, you die. If you don't move, you go still die.
Huh?
How corner you? Can't stay there before you die. You have to guys squad. Go down. Hey, swear you.
What have you done to them?
Not your brothers.
My brother? No! They are not my brothers, so now workers we are be.
Workers you are bio. You go join the workers. Come for now. Go meet our mama and papa. And me una dey sure say una go obey the punishment because they go punish you now.
Get back. Eh? What is Auntie? Where are you going again?
Auntie, any wahala?
Me? Any wahala? We were discussing something yesterday. Have we finished? Oh yeah? Go and sit down. Let's finish so I will know what to do, please.
No need. This is where we talk. No need. I don't tell you before say we know they come out anywhere. We know they come out. We no go feel leave this house come out go anywhere. Yes, so. We no feel leave our papa and our mama come out. Lie. If we leave them come out now, they go just so lonely. Yeah. We go come stay with them.
Are you okay? Is something wrong with you? Your father and mother are dead and buried.
Now lie.